Once upon a time, there was a hare who was very proud of himself and thought no one could ever match his running speed. He always made fun of the tortoise for his slow speed. He was so proud of himself that he once challenged the tortoise in front of everyone to participate in a running race with him. The tortoise kept quiet and did not pay much attention to the hare. But the hare did not stop and kept on making fun of the tortoise and how he is the slowest animal in this world. The tortoise got angry and thought of accepting the challenge. The hare became too overconfident and thought that the tortoise could never match his speed. He then decided to take a break and rest for some time. He looked for some comfortable place and soon noticed a field of cabbages and carrots nearby. The hare decided to treat himself with some cabbage. He thought of taking a quick nap as there was enough time left for the tortoise to reach his pace. According to the hare, taking a short nap will give him some energy to run quickly and reach the finish line. Finally, the day of the race had arrived. All of the forest animals showed up to watch the hare and tortoise battle it out. When they were about to start the race, the hare teased and made fun of the tortoise for accepting the challenge. He also stated that the tortoise will be mocked by other animals for taking the challenge and it is obvious that the tortoise will lose the race. The tortoise remained quiet, ignorant to the hare's statements. As soon as the countdown began, the hare started to run immediately while the tortoise began to walk at its normal speed. The hare ran as fast as he could without any stop. He soon was able to cover a long distance and was just a few yards away from the finishing line. He stopped for a while and looked behind to have a check on the tortoise. He laughed and boasted about his speed since he was unable to see the tortoise. However, the tortoise did not give up and continued walking. It had to cover a long distance to reach the finish line. The hare soon fell asleep and dreamt about winning the competition. When he woke up, he was shocked to see that it was too late and the sun was already setting. He jumped and rushed to check for the tortoise. But alas! The tortoise was about to reach the finish line and was way ahead of the hare. The hare was shocked and ran towards the finish line as fast as he could. But he soon realized that it was too late as the tortoise had already crossed the finish line and won the race. On reaching the finish line, the hare was laughed at by all other animals for losing the race with the tortoise. All made fun of him and praised the humbleness of the tortoise. The hare regretted and realized that he should never boast about his speed. This incident taught him a very important lesson. The story of the hare and tortoise teaches us a very important lesson. The hare and tortoise story moral teaches us that we should never boast about anything and should always remain humble about ourselves. It also teaches us that if anyone is not as good as you, we should never make fun of them and disrespect them. We hope you enjoyed reading this wonderful story. If you enjoyed reading this story, you can also check some of the other bedtime stories that are available online at our site.